Hey, booze. Hold on.
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But
Stella
my
Rosa
phone be
Black.
blowing up,
Get you some
temptations on my
sleep,
line.
okay?
I stare at the screen a while before I press decline.
But hey, booze. Welcome to my channel. I basically was going spring cleaning and going through my stuff, and it's a lot of stuff that I just don't wear anymore. So with further ado, I'm going to have a sale on Poshmark. If you're watching this video now, that means that my stuff is already up on Poshmark, so you can definitely take a look at it now if you wanted to. I'll leave the link down to my Poshmark down below, but it's the same thing. Nikki's the one. I try to keep everything universal and easy. As you guys know, my wig sale is still going on. It is a sale, so the prices are a little bit cheaper than what they initially were. So check out my wig sale as well for my gently used wigs that I review on these videos. Nikki's the one.bighearttail.com. And also, if you haven't already, we trying to get these followers up. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. Instagram, Nikki's the one. Snapchat, Nikki's the one. And follow me on my Poshmark. Why not? For my closet. But basically, I'm going to be doing 3 series for these videos because that's how much stuff I have. Like, I got a lot of stuff. And instead of just throwing it in the garbage or giving it to the Goodwill, why not just kind of like exchange these clothes and stuff like that, you know? Why not? So this first series is going to be on my outerwear, jean jackets, vests, coats. You know, my second one is going to be the actual clothes, like outfits, pants, shirts, 2 pieces, stuff like that. And my third one is going to be my shoes and purses, so look out for that. But this is basically what this first series is going to be on. It's going to be on the outerwear type of stuff. So with further ado, just to let you guys know, nothing is going to be more than $25. Everything is going to be $25 and below. I'm just trying to get rid of this stuff, you know. So let's get to this video. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Come on, come on, y'all. Okay, so I have, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff, and I didn't want to kind of, you know, do too much, so I'm just gonna do it into groups so you guys know the prices on stuff. Let's do it. Hi, let's do it. I like the way you looking. Okay, so these are the highest priced items on here. Basically, this is Adidas like windbreaker. It is the size large. I'm selling it for $25. This is a BB like pea coat, selling it for $25. This is the bottom. You have a little buttons, and you have this strap to make it, you know, cinch to your waist. This is an extra large, and it's BB. I thought these are 25. This is gonna be 20. This isn't a name brand. I end up getting this from the thrift store, but it is money. Like, when you put this on, this is money, honey. Put this on with some shades. Like, this goes down to my ankles, but because of this belt, it has a little gold things on here and a little fur. Like, girl, this looks like money. And it's pretty warm. It's like, it's like a little bit of fur on the inside too, but I'm not really sure about what material this is. Let me see. Max Adler. I'm not sure who that person's name is, again, because I got it from the thrift store, but I am selling this for $20. It's very, it looks like money, okay? Let me see. This is a coat that I got from Forever 21. You can cinch the bottom. I got it in a size 12. I think that's a large, but it's a puffer coat, little simple puffer coat. $15. $15. It's so cute. It's super cute. I I did a video on this one. I got this from the thrift store as well. Wilson's. This is genuine leather, and it has thin Thelate ultra insulation. You can use the belt to cinch your waist. It goes past your waist, right past your butt on me, and this is a medium. So it has the bottom where you can strap the bottoms, but it is genuine leather. It says it's from Wilson's, and this one is going for $15 too, because I'm just trying to get rid of it. This was a project of mine. I got this from the thrift store as well. It is Lord & Taylor. I did initially get it because of the name. It is genuine suede. I was going to have it altered and just have it like a short crop kind of jacket, which I still may depending on how soon this goes, but I am letting this go for $15 as well. I got this from Fashion Nova. This is in the size large. It has the fur around it, but it is detachable with these buttons, and it is a faux leather jacket. I am letting this go for 10. I don't know what I have it in here, but with the 15s, but this is, I'm gonna let this go for 10. This is a Guess jean jacket. This is a extra large, but I don't think it's an extra large. It might be an extra large in kids, but because it's kind of a little bit snugged on me, I generally wear a medium to a large, and it's not tight, but it could have a little more room, and it's definitely not extra large in women, so take that into consideration. This is a jean jacket. I'm letting this go for 15. This is, yes, apple bottoms. I had this since high school, and this is one of my pieces that I never let go because I gained weight after I had Armani, my son, and I couldn't fit it no more. So I kept this around just to prove to myself that one day I will be able to fit it again. And yes, I can fit it. It is genuine leather, but it's time for me to let her go. Let her go, you know, let her go. So it is a size medium, and it fits very well. I know the name brand isn't like, because I love Nelly, but people really don't wear apple bottoms anymore. But you can always get this patch, put a patch on top of it, or bedazzle it, or like get it taken off by you know, the alterations people. But for the most part, this is a great genuine leather jacket. It's very trendy and very nice, with that exception of that name on there. And I'm letting this go for 15. The next ones are going to be $10. This is, I got this from the thrift store as well. Y'all see, I'm very thrifty, okay? This is an extra large, and it's very trendy. It's a very trendy piece for the fall and the winter. You can get your own like little black or gold belt with it, but it is a vest. Good layer piece. This I got from Forever 21. This is the size medium. It is a distressed jacket. I have not worn this one or the pink one since I bought it. I just got it because I thought it looked cute, but I don't wear it. So if you can find a place for her to go in your wardrobe, take her. It's $10. And this is the color lavender, and this is my favorite color, pink. And I just been keeping it because the colors are so girly, but I don't wear them, so why would I keep them if I don't wear them? That's $10. And this I got from the thrift store. It's called Austin Reed. I'm not sure of that name, but I was thinking about like wearing it as a cute little fitted suit, getting it altered or something. This is a trendy piece. It looks like a showstopper, but you have to, you know, wear it right. It's a blazer. Letting this go for $10 as well. So find a home for her. Find a home for her. Now most of this stuff is for the fall. Most of this stuff is for the fall / winter, which is why I am letting it go right now, because I'm trying to get rid of this stuff. You know, I'm getting rid of it, because if not, I'm just going to give it away to Goodwill or throw it in the garbage. So might as well go ahead and make some use out of it so that I can buy some new stuff. So yeah, the second series is coming soon. It's probably going to be this week as well, the second series, and that is going to be the clothes and outfit selection pants, the set pieces, and the tops. So get ready for that. And yeah, these are my jackets, and these are going to be up. Now as I'm uploading it, I'm going to be uploading it onto my Poshmark again. So my Poshmark again is at Nikki's the One. Nothing different, it's the same thing. Follow my Instagram at Nikki's the One, and make sure you thumbs up, like, and subscribe videos like this if you like videos like this. And yeah, thanks for supporting, y'all. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye bye.